Okay. Your name?
Barbara Lee Fendler Ruiz.
And you're representing?
Ruiz Family Support Center.
Okay. We here at the Ruiz Family Support Center just figured out an alternative to tomorrow's Capitol Theater showing of A Birth of a Nation. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that, Barbara Lee?
Well, we'll be offering a healthier alternative.
Such as?
Group discussions.
And maybe some snacks?
Possibly.
Snacks always gets them there.
Sure it does.
Yes. So instead of going to watch people be blatantly racist and, give our kids that horrible bit of insight that D.W. Gooding or whoever the heck it was had over 100 years ago, why don't you have them come right here to the Ruiz Family Support Center, and we will have a healthy discussion in a therapeutic setting and not support blatantly racist films. We shouldn't be paying $8.50 to see this. You should not be supporting this. So instead, take a short walk on down to the Ruiz Family Support Center and come join us and have a healthy discussion.